So I'm going to be continuing chapter 5, which is decimals. I finished the multiplication of decimals, and now I am on to division of decimals. So let's read. To divide a decimal by a whole number less than a 10, you should, as with multiplication, set your work so that the decimals point to the answer. The answer is directly below the decimal point in the question. Then you can do the division as if you were dividing one whole number by another. For example, working for 13.5 divided by 5 is shown on the right. What? Oh, I see. Okay. Sorry, my throat is not doing so good. To divide decimals by 10 or 100 or 1,000, you can use simple rules, which is the opposite of the ones you used for multiplication by these numbers. The diagram below illustrates 574.6 divided by 10. So you move the decimal the other way. The digits have moved one place to the right, as their place values are 1/10 of, they were 1/10 of what they were. But when the result is written down without the column headings as 574.6 divided by 10 equals 57.46, it looks as if the decimal point has moved one place to the left. Using one of these rules, you should be able to write down the result of dividing a decimal by 10 without any working. For example, 34.9 divided by 10 is 3.419. You may need to write zeros to show that the columns are empty. For example, 0.93 divided by 10 is 0.093. To divide a decimal by 100, you move the decimal point 2 places to the left. And to divide a decimal by 1,000, you move the decimal point 3 places to the left. To divide by a decimal, write the division as a fraction, as the line in a fraction may be thought of as a division sign. See section 3.5. Then by multiplying by 10 or 100 or 1,000, convert it to an equivalent fraction with a whole number for the denominator, as you already know how to divide by a whole number. The numerator does not have to be a whole number. For example, to divide 0.12 by 0.3, write it as a fraction 0.12 divided by 0.3. Then multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10 and obtain 1.2 over 3, which you can evaluate to get the answer 0.4. If the calculations are more complicated than those given so far, you are advised to use a calculator. Example 5.7.1. Work out 2.8 divided by 0.04. As a fraction, 2.8 divided by 0.04 equals 28 over 0.04. Multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 100, so it would be 2.8 over 0.04 times 100 each is 280 over 4. Finally, 280 over 4 is 70. Okay, I just realized I didn't go over these and make sure I had them right. I should probably do that first. So exercise 5.4, 28.2, 89, 146.9, yes, 6, 4.7, 7.02, 283.041, 521.8, yes, 83, yes, 40, yes, 0.07, 0.07, 46,360. No, I didn't. Okay, 3,900, yes, 39, very Canadian there. Question 3, 21, yes. Oh wait, no, 100, yes. By 10, yes. And then 1,000, yes. 0.63, 0.03, no, 0.3, 0.08, 0.03, 0.021, 0.00, 1236, 1236. 5.18, yes. C, yes. Yes. 36 liters, 832 centimeters. Yes. Okay. Well, I know what I'm doing for multiplication. Let's see if I know how to divide. So we're in exercise. Okay. Work out. So 1A. Work out 9.2 divided by 4, which would equal 9.2 over 4. So if we time them both by, how do we do this again? Oh my gosh. We can pretend that the decimal point is not there. So we can do 92, do some long division. So if we do 92 divided by 4, and then bring that down. So 4 goes into 9 twice, which is 8, which is 1, and then bring down the 2. How does this do it? So it'd be 2.4 goes into 12 3 times, so it's 2.3. In theory, let's see if I did that right. 2.3. Yes. Feeling good about that. All right, so B, well, it's 19.23 divided by 3. There, so 3 goes into 19 how many times? 4, 5, 6, which is 18, which is 1. Oh my God. There's 12, and the answer is 4. I'm very tired. So it's 12, which is 0, bring down the 3. 3 goes into 3 one time. So the answer is 6.41. C, 2.8, no, sorry. 2. Okay. So 2.382 divided by 6 would be 0, right? Because it doesn't go in there, but it goes into 23 3 times, which is 18. 23 minus 18 is 5. Yes. And bring down the 8. So 6 goes into 54. 8 times, which would be 54, which would be 4. 6 goes into 42 7 times. Oh my God. I need to get my calculator. I'll be right back. Where's my phone? So, all right. 6 times 8 is 48. Be 6 times 9. Oh my God. 6 times 9. 54. 6 times 9 is 54. I got very confused. All right. 54, which is 4. Bring down the 2. 6 times 7 is 42. So the answer is 0.397. And then D, these are all a mess. That's okay. How many times does 7 go into 0.469? 7 goes into 6 times, which is 42. 49, 7 times 7 is 49, so it's 0.067. Okay, 2. Write down the answers to 37.5 divided by 10. So it goes that way instead of that way. So it's 3.75. B, 457.2 divided by 10 equals, so it goes this way. No, this way. Shoot, it goes this way. It's 45.72. C, 0.093 divided by 10 equals 0.093. Oh, I just did that. 0.0093. Okay. Okay, we'll keep going here. D. 7.13 divided by 10 equals 0.713. E. 0.34 divided by 10 equals 0.034. F. 652 divided by, oh my God, I'm so tired, guys. It's not. So it is 6.528. It's been a long day. And it's only 10:30 in the morning here. All right, so G, 2.5 divided by 100 equals 0.0, once again, 1, 2, yeah, 0.025. GH, 0.37 divided by 100 equals 0.0037. I, 0.003 divided by 100 equals 0.00003. J, 17.2 divided by 100 equals, my writing just keeps getting worse and worse here. Okay, anyways, 0.172. K, 33.8 divided by 1,000 equals 0.0338 L. 0.071 divided by 1,000 equals, so it's 0.000071. 3. Complete the following. So 3.7 divided by what equals 0.37. B10. B. 0.9 divided by what equals 0.009. That'd be 1,000, right? 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, oh, 100. And then C, 7.9 divided by what? Oh, divided by what equals 0.079. Would be 1, no, it's 100 again, right? So it's here, and then it needs to go 1, 2, yeah, 100. Oh, this one is 1,000. Okay, 4. Whew, work out 39.92 divided by 2. Okay. So or do we have to do it? $39.92. So I'm going to put the thing there. It goes into 1 time, which is 2, which is 1, 9. 2 goes into 19 9 times, which is 18, which is 1. Bring down another 9, and it goes into 19 again, which is 18, which is 1. It goes into 2 6 times, so 19.96. B. How many times does 7 go into 199.5? So that goes there. 7 goes into 19 twice, which is 14, which is 5. Right? Yes, and bring down the 9. 7 goes into 59 how many times? Sometimes 8. It's 56. 56. So 9, this 3 goes into 7 goes into 5. 35 5 times. I'm so tired, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, C. 4 goes into 0.624 how many times? So it'd be there. Does it go into 0 0 times? 4 goes into 6 once, which is 2. Bring down the other 2. 4 goes into 22. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. So it's 2. 4 goes into 24 6 times. So it's 1.51. No, 0.156. D. How many times does 8 go into 7.28? 0. 8 goes into 72. How many times? What times 8 is 72? 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 9. 9.19, right? Because it's 72, and then bring down the 8, that's 1 time. Yeah, okay. F. F. No, E. E. 70 goes into 257.6 how many times? So this will go over there. So 70 goes into 257 how many times? Well, what if we divide them both by 10? Would that be easier? Would that be easier? Would that be easier? 250, 250, oh my God, I can do this. 257 divided by 70. So 70 times 3 is 210, right? would be 47. Bring down the 6. 70 goes to 476. How many times? Well, that would be 6 minus 0 is 6. 56. That would be 7 times what equals 56? 8. So I feel like I did that really weird, but it worked. So 10.8. So 300 goes into 10.8. How many times? So I'm just going to add a 0 here. I'm going to put that up there. It's going to be 0. And then another 0. And then I'm just going to divide it. I'm going to use the calculator. Divided by 300. Okay, so it's going to be 3, and then it's going to be 900. And then that's going to be 1080 minus 900. I feel like I'm doing this so wrong. Bring down another 0. 300 goes into 1800 6 times. Okay. G. Did I do that right? Yeah. I mean, I could just also do it on the calculator here. So I do 257.6 divided by 70. 3.68. Perfect. Okay. Okay, let's do G, which is 7.83 over 0.3. So if I times that by 10 times 10, which would equal 7,830 divided by 3, which equals, I'm just going to do the calculator because I don't want to do long division right now. 30 divided by 3 is 2,000. So G is 2,610. H, 3.384 divided by 0.09. If I times that by 100 times 100 by 1, 2. So it would get 9, and it would get 338.4 divided by 9 is 338.4 divided by 9 is 37.6 equals 37.6. Number 6, a length of cable is 18.48 meters. A length of cable is 18.48 meters long. No, a length of cable 18.84, oh my God, meters long is cut into 4 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece? So 4 goes into 18 3 times. 4 times, which is 16, which is 2, which is 4. 4 goes into 24. 4 times what? 7? 24 divided by 4, 6. It was 4. Oh, 0.6 2, because this is 24 and this is 8. And okay. So each length is 4.62 meters long. 7. A pile of 100 sheets of paper is 210 centimeters high. Work out the thickness of each sheet of paper. So 100 sheets, no, the other way around. 2.1 divided by 100? Yes, 2.1 divided by 100 equals 0.021 centimeters tall, each paper. 8. In completing one lap, a runner covers 0.4 kilometers. How many laps does she complete in 10-kilometer race? So 10 kilometers divided by 0.4 equals what? Times 10. So it's 100 divided by 4, which is 25 laps. Okay. Let's see if that's right. Oh no, I skipped a page. Okay, right here. 6. I said it was how much? 4.62 meters. 7 was 0.021 centimeters. And 9 was 25 laps. I'll just erase that. All right. So exercise 5.5. Exercise 5.5, 1A, 2.3, 6.41, 0.397, 0.067, 3.75, 45.72, 0093, 71. I'm getting them all right. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Yes. Ooh, 7, 2. Yes. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Times divided by 10, divided by 100. Oh, got that wrong. Divided by 100. 19.96. Yes. 28.5. Yes. 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 Oh, this is wrong. And H is wrong. How is that wrong? Okay, I'll have to go back and do those two. Oh, no, 1 second. Was I looking at the wrong things? Did I skip? What the heck? Guys, I'm too tired for this. I really messed this up. So like I started right here and then I ended here somehow. I mixed these all up. I think I'm too tired for this today. Okay, that was right. That one was the right question. That one's the right question. That one's the right question. That one's the right question. And then I went totally off the rails here and I did this one. Okay. Got it wrong. Right? Probably. Okay. Okay. So it is Let's try 5. Let's see what happens if I just do 5 divided by 4.375, which is what? Would be 40, which would be 8. Which would be 7, which is 35, which is 225. Let's see if that's right. 8.75. 8.75, yes. And then H. So if I divide it by 100, divided by 100 is 4 going into 0.02618. Yes. So 0.020 goes 4 goes into 26 6 times, which is 24, which is 2, 21, 5, 1, 8. 4 goes into 18 4 times, which is 16, which is 2. That's another 0, and it's 5. So it's 0.06545. Is that correct? 0.0. Oh, I missed another 0 there. Because that goes 0, and that goes 0. Oh, and then that goes 0 because it can't go into 2, but it can go into 20. Okay. Okay. Oh, I should check if these are right. 4.62, yes. 0.021 centimeters, 25 laps. All right, so let's just do 5. I'm gonna skip over those ones. And no, we have to work out. 0.36 divided by 0.4. So if I times that by 10, that by 10, so you get 3.6 divided by 4, which is 4 goes into 36 7 times? No, 8 times, 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36, so it's 0.9. That's A. Let's do B. 3 divided by 0.02. If we times that by 10, that times 10, it's 3 divided by 2. It's 30 divided by 2, which is 15. C, 0.624 divided by 4 is 4 goes into, no, I read the wrong one again. Jeez Louise. I'm here. So it is 4.8 divided by 0.06. So if I times that by 100, times 100 is 480 divided by 6, which is 7. 6 goes into 48 7 times, right? 48 divided by 6 is 8. Oh my God, 80. The 0.021 divided by 0.07 times 10 would be 0.21 divided by 7, which is 0.3. 0.03, I think. 0.21 divided by 7. Yes, it is 0.3. I got it right. E. 9 divided by 0.03. So times 100 times 100 is 900 divided by 3, which is 300. F. 4 divided by 0.008 is times 100 times 100. So 400 divided by 8 is 50. then G. 7.38 divided by 0.3, so that's times 10. Times 10 is 73.8 divided by 3, which is what? I did it on a calculator, so how could it be wrong? 73.8 divided by 3, 24.6. And then H, 3.384 divided by 0.09. So if I times that by 100, times 100, so it'd be 338.4 divided by 9, which is, oops, 338.4 divided by 9 is 37.6. 37.6. So let's go to the back and check our answers. Okay, so we have to do 5. Oh, first 875, yes. Okay, so 0.9, yes. 15, 80.03, 300, 50, 24.6, and 37.6. Excellent. Converting fractions to decimals too. I'm going to take a break. I will see you guys on Wednesday. I'm so tired.